You might be wondering how some people are able to do kind of this video that you are seeing, that they will do their video and they will input it inside the phone and they will be showing you on the phone. You'll be seeing it as if how they are doing it. You might be trying to do it and you don't get it. Calm down. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it in this video. How you can do it by yourself in this video. Hit the subscription button now, then like this video, share it and save it for the purpose of the next time, and then also leave your comment below. Don't skip any part of this video because that's exactly the place that you want to skip might delay a lot of things for you. Try to watch it step by step and understand it, then you are good to go. Now for you to do such video, you come to CapCut here, right? Click on CapCut. When you click on CapCut, then click on CapCut, it's going to open for you, right? It's going to open for you. Then click on new video. When you click on new video, then look out for the video that you want to use. Let me take this one. Then now you bring in your video like this. What is the next thing that you have to do? Then you click on the video, then excuse it a little bit. Did you see the shape? Excuse it a little bit. Use your two fingers to grab, excuse it in, zoom it in, then go to your overlay. Go to the overlay, click on overlay. When you click on overlay, then click on it. It's going to open for you like this. Then click on library here. You see the library, then click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open for you. When it's open for you, then what is the next thing that you have to do? You have to come to, you can look for the green screen, or just type iPhone, or you type phone mockups, then search. This is what is going to bring to you for you. This is what is going to bring us for you. Now what is the next thing for you to do? You choose a green screen, or you type on green screen iPhone, then you click on it. When you click on it, this is how it's going to open for you. Then you click on it like this. After you click on it like this, then drag it to fit where you want it to fit, where it shows the face part of the screen. Then click on the one that you don't need. After you delete it, I've deleted it. Then what you are going to do right now is to tap on it, then drag it to fit. Yeah, to fit. Let the all right, sorry. Do you see there's a little bit shape around it, you know, around the phone, both up, down, left and right. Now what I'm going to do right now, there's something we call chroma key. After you know we are working on this phone, right? Then you click on it. When it's appear, then you scroll till you see remove BG. We are going to remove BG. Okay, this is the remove BG. Then you click on remove BG. When you click on remove BG, this is the chroma key. You click on it, then drag it to remove that green. After removing the green, when you look, if you look at the phone, inside that phone, you see that lining of the of those green around the thing, around the corner. What I'm going to do is this intensity, just adjust it to 50. Just adjust it to 50. Then this shadow, adjust it to 20. Depends on the type of thing you are doing, right? Just adjust it to 20 or 30, right? The green have fade away. Then click on mark. When you click on mark, then you are going to click on the actual video to make it fit very well. No, the thing is not fit very well. Okay, the thing is not fit very well. Okay, depends on the type of background. You know, this video itself, it is black background, right? I can easily leave it like that. Then what is the next thing you are going to do is to click on this, then continue to be duplicating it. Continue to watch to duplicating it, or you make it as a freeze it. You can freeze it. How do you freeze it? Click on it, then scroll. Then this is freeze. Click on freeze. When you click on freeze, it's going to appear as an image, not as a video again. You know, there's some part that will appear as image, not as video. Okay, I think this. Okay, let me delete the video. This is the video. I'm going to delete it. I mean, because that thing is appear as video before. Then, you know, I've done it as image. As I freeze it, it returns to the image automatically. You know, but you can go to drag it till where you want, to the end of the video that you are doing. Right now, I'm deleting this thing, and deleting this thing as well. Then, you know, you see, from beginning to the end. Can you see now? I want you to take note of something. Look at this thing. You look at this up here, you see that black is still showing a little bit. What I'm going to do is adjust it. Don't use that black to pick the level, just because if it's like this, it might not go through. If you are trying to adjust it here, take it away from this, just let it be on this thing as only on your work only, then drag it a little bit. Drag it. Can you see it has full the whole thing? Can you see it has full the whole thing, right? Then you can drag it to the end of the video, right, to fit in properly. If you have been getting value from this video, can you subscribe to this channel? Can you hit the subscription button to encourage us? Then like this video, leave your comment below. If there's anything that you want me to teach you and show you step by step and you don't understand, just leave it under the comment section. I'm going to show it to you in this video. Let's go into the video. Now this is what we are going to do, right? I'm going to show you another version of this. Then you click on export. When you click on export, then export it out. Ibi Psalm 31 verse 1 wí bẹ́ẹ̀. Olúwa má ṣe jẹ́ kí ojú kí ó tì mí. Bí àṣà àti àpáta mi mú. Once again, don't forget to follow us by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscription button now, then like this video, share it and save it for the purpose of the next time, and then also leave your comment below. If there's any question you want me to answer or some parts that you don't understand, just drop it under the comment section, then save it for the purpose of the next time. Share it to others to help them so that they can be benefit from it.